Hey folks, Joyce here, certified health and nutrition coach. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today we're gonna learn how to prep chayote or sayote in Tagalog, because we also use this in Filipino dishes, okay? I know I look a little different, but please don't unsubscribe because of this new look, but I'm enjoying it pretty well. Anywho, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already to watch more videos on prepping and cooking, and watch all the way to the end for all the kitchen tips. Alright, first, let's learn how to pick the chayotes.
Alright, we're here at my local Latin market and we have here sayotes or chayotes, and what we're looking for is mostly light green to dark green with little blemishes, so we don't want to pick something like this. They're not going to be perfect, so just pick the best one that you can. Chayote is a gourd, or is part of the squash family, and the plant can grow as long as 50 feet.
Amazing, right? So abundant. What you're going to need is a chopping board, a chef's knife, a bowl, and a peeler. Always a good idea to wash your vegetables or fruit before you cut into them, because there's bacteria on the outside of the skin, and I'm not using a brush for this because we are going to peel the skin off. If you like what you're seeing so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it to stay updated on future videos as soon as they come out. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Kala Health and Wellness. And if you're looking for a 20-minute free consult, email me at jm@kalahealthandwellness.com. The chayote has a very interesting bottom. It looks kind of knuckly, and that's totally part of the fruit slash vegetable. And we're just gonna take our peeler and peel off the skin. It is pretty thick actually. So even if this is not organic, which is very hard to find organic chayote, you should be fine because of the thick skin, okay? And it is a little bit slippery. So if you have, right on cue. So if you have a cut glove, actually that would be helpful. So I put that on now. Here's my cut glove. So we can update the previous clip with what you need. Now that the chayote is nice and peeled, let's cut it down the middle here, following that seam. And there you go, you'll see a seed, and you can take your peeler and just scoop the seed out in the middle. And make sure that you're getting all the white part. Just want to show you guys that this is where the seam is, so you can tell there's a little bit of fiber there, and take your knife and just run it along the side to remove the fiber. All right, now we're ready to cut. Have it cut side down and lay it vertically, and just cut down the middle. If you want wedges, tilt your knife at a 45-degree angle and you get these beautiful wedges. You can cut them smaller if you'd like. So those are the wedges. And if you wanted to dice them, no problem. We can just cut them in a few sections vertically. All right, 4. And then turn it so it's horizontal. And then make the size that you want. Cut the size of the dice that you want. All right, and these can be roasted, or they can be added to a soup like tinola, which is one of my favorite Filipino dishes. You may be curious to know how much is in one chayote. Let's find out. So one standard chayote should give us about, this is a 1 cup measuring cup, a heaping cup is what it looks like. And that wraps up our video on how to prep chayote. I'd love to know what you end up making in the comments below. I'm also putting this video in 2 of my playlists, and that is Eat 3 or More Veggies a Day and Fruits with Benefits, because it's a fruit and used as a vegetable. Alright, so thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, or hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you have, thank y'all so much. Stay tuned. Next week, we're going to continue on this series, Eat 3 or More Veggies a Day for your body and the planet. And until then, remember, you deserve to be happy and healthy.